Shovelheadffej, and today me and the missus, she's back there somewhere, we're actually out in Englewood, Florida. We're on our way to Burt's Black Widow. Burt, is in El Jabin, Florida, so we're just a couple miles away from El Jabin. We decided to go undercover as turistas down in Englewood and look like tourists and just come check out. They're having a big pirate fest. It's actually a pirate poker run. Except in motorcycles, it's in boats. We've kind of caught the tail end of it. And so we're just kind of coming down here and just checking things out. And then, unfortunately, I brought my camera and I didn't bring my camera bag. So my camera and my battery died, took what I could. If this video makes it onto YouTube, I'm shooting it with my cell phone, so I don't know. It all depends how the quality comes out. I'm not a fan of the cell phone shooting, or not a fan of the GoPro, as everybody knows. So anyway, if it ends up on YouTube, we'll see. All right, man. See you in a bit.
delicious.
See you later. Thank you. See you guys. It was very good, man. The place, Boca Lupo. I don't know what it means. Pizza was actually very good. You know, and I generally don't do food reviews, but I do eat a lot, so I think I'm qualified. It's raining. Gotta go. Bye.